Hello there, welcome back. Before we move the car into the garage and install these beauties, I wanted to show you a box from Tillard. This company, they have an upgrade I am super pumped about. So let's see what's inside the box, get everything installed, and see how we like it. Okay, so we have two mirror casings with the integrated lights. Feels really solid. Light isn't too bulky. We have the electrical in the back. Pretty basic. Here's the other side. Now we have this box, which comes with the electrical adapters. Alrighty, for the tools, we have a flathead screwdriver, the pry tools, and that's pretty much it. Let's get to work. Here we go. Step one, we're gonna grab this pry tool, start going in through here, then begin pressing upwards to unclip everything along the sides and around here. So let's stick this in, apply some pressure, and that couldn't have been smoother, right? Okay, now we have to remove this piece down here. And we could stick the pry tool through here, but what I think the best option is going from this end right here. This way it'll start coming out and we should be able to pull it out. Here we go. Using the pry tool, we can start removing it. We do have a couple of clips we have to unlatch, but that's it. Super easy. For the clips, we use the flathead. We slip it into the middle, push out, and it'll pop out. There we go. On to the next step. Now we have to unclip the mirror itself. We can just use our fingers and pry it out. Do be careful because it is connected here, so you don't want to just pull it out. So now we grab the Allen key and remove the screw in the center. There you go. Let's keep going. Okay, we've moved the mirror down. We've put a towel here so we don't scratch anything. We've removed the center screw. Now what we have to do is remove 3 screws that are around this area that look like this. After removing the screws, it's on to unplugging the blue plug. That's out, and interesting looking piece. Now it's on to unplugging things from the back. This is where the adapter will get plugged in as well. It's time for the wiring. What we just unplugged gets plugged into the adapter. Now we grab the adapter end, which is this one. And this replaced the stock one. So it goes into here. That's clipped in. We will wrap the rest around here. And for the remaining part, it goes in through the hole and connect to what we unplugged earlier. Okay, Now we have our original cable, which gets plugged into the new adapter. Like so. Then this one remaining goes into the motor. We have our motor, we have the adapter, we plug it in, that is in, and on to the rest. We've attached the screws, now onto the middle one. Next step is reinstalling the mirror itself. And once it's clipped in, we'll run a quick test and make sure everything is good to go. Here we go, the bottom pieces. They have an L and an R down here, so we don't mess this up. Now all we have to do is connect the electrical. Let's start by sliding the cable in. And then let's go around applying some pressure and let the clips do their thing. Bam! That's one. Let's go around and bam! That's in. Like Vader's helmet, let's clip this in. And we are done. Nice. Here they are. And how awesome does that look? Quality wise, looks really sharp and vibrant. The bulb looking good attached to the bottom of the mirror. They'll go on and off with the locking and unlocking of the vehicle, plus the self shut off after a couple of seconds of driving. I love these. Well, that's it for this one. If you have any questions at all, just leave them in the comments down below and I will absolutely respond. If interested in getting a pair yourself, make sure you use the code TOYBOX at checkout. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Take care.